Use quotations to enliven your writing. Sprinkling quotations into your writing is an effective way to improve it. Doing this serves several functions. You summarize a point, you emphasize important concepts, you validate your ideas, particularly when you're using a quote from a person famous and respected, and you break up large blocks of text. I found the most effective way to find quotes is to search for a topic. For example, if you want a quote from a successful woman entrepreneur, I use that term and put quotations in front of it. Several sites come up. You know what you're looking for before you start reading these sites. Pick several that are the closest to your goal or a suitable quote and compare them. Several factors influence your decision. How long is the quote? A one-sentence quote is ideal. 2 sentences really make the point. If it's any longer, it begins to diverge into something that looks more like text. Who said it? Avoid quotations by anonymous. They may sound great, but they lack the clout of name familiarity. Shy away from quotes by people you've never heard of. They have the same lack of clout problem. However, bear in mind that you might not be in the mainstream of popular culture. If the quote really has impact, you might look the person up. And if he or she is well known, use it. A different problem can arise if somebody is always quoted. Oprah, Bill Gates, and Elon Musk do have a lot to say, but be cautious about quoting them. Your readers might say, "Oh, another Oprah quote," and skip past it. Avoid using quotations by people who may have a polarizing effect, such as people who are on the extremes of the political or social spectrum. And be sensitive to the headlines. For example, prominent men being accused of sexual harassment have lost some credibility as a source of quotes, along with a lot of other losses. Build a quotations collection so you can collect them to keep handy to put in your articles and books. File them in categories so you can easily find them. I close with this quotation. A quotation is a speech, article, or book like a rifle in the hands of an infantryman. It speaks with authority. Brendan Behan, Irish playwright. Come over to patiyer.com for more tips on writing. Be sure to get our new app called biz.edu. Get the app at patiyer.com/biz-edu. biz-edu. And get more great content.